Imagine asking AI for customer information. First request, you get a table. Second request, a paragraph. Third, bullet points. Every single time, a different format. For software trying to automate this, that's a nightmare. So how do developers actually solve this problem? This is structured output prompting, the technique that transforms AI from a conversational assistant into a reliable, predictable software component that systems can actually depend on. We'll explore the chaos of free-form AI responses, how structure tames that chaos, JSON formats and schemas, automation workflows that scale, API integration patterns, and real-world enterprise applications already using this today. AI naturally generates flexible, creative responses. Ask the same question twice. First time, a table. Second time, a paragraph. Third time, a bulleted list. Every response is different. Every format is completely unpredictable. Beautiful for humans. Chaos for machines. Humans can read anything. We adapt instantly to paragraphs, tables, lists. But software? Software needs consistency. It needs predictability. It needs structure. Without it, your entire automation pipeline breaks down. Structured output prompting is elegantly simple. You don't just ask AI a question. You define exactly how it should format the answer. The prompt includes the structure. The response follows that blueprint. Every single time. Here's the big idea. Separate what you're asking from how you want the answer delivered. A question plus a structure template equals a predictable response. That simple formula is the foundation of all reliable AI automation. JSON is the gold standard for structured data. Name, email, phone number. Each field has a clear label. Each value sits in its expected place. Machines parse it instantly. Developers rely on it completely. It's the language of modern APIs. A schema is your blueprint. It defines which fields are required, what data types are expected, and how to validate every response. Think of it as a contract. Your prompt makes a request. The schema guarantees the format you'll receive. Left side, a paragraph response. Beautiful prose. Perfect for human readers. Completely impossible for software to parse reliably. Right side, structured data. Clean fields. Predictable format. Ready for immediate automation. Same information. Radically different utility. Modern software systems are interconnected pipelines. AI generates the response. An API consumes it. An application processes it. A database stores it. A workflow triggers from it. Structured outputs make this entire chain reliable and deterministic. That's why engineers demand it. A customer sends a support ticket. AI reads it and instantly returns structured data. Category, billing. Priority, high. Sentiment, frustrated. Now your system knows exactly how to route it, who to assign it to, and how urgently to respond. No human needed to interpret anything. Email arrives in your inbox. AI extracts contact information, company name, and request details. Returns it as clean structured data. Your CRM receives it automatically. Workflow triggers. Lead gets assigned to the right sales rep. No manual data entry. No copy-paste. No human bottleneck. Pure automation. Modern AI doesn't operate in isolation. It connects directly to APIs. Those APIs expect structured data. JSON requests in. JSON responses out. Structured output prompting makes AI a native, first-class citizen of the API ecosystem. AI agents are the next evolution. They make decisions. They execute tools. They chain actions together. Every single tool call requires structured input. Every response needs structured output. Without structure, agents simply cannot function. Structured prompting is their foundation. The benefits are transformative. Consistency across every single response. Reliability you can build production software on. Automation that scales without human intervention. and seamless integration with your existing enterprise systems. That's the power of structure. But structure isn't magic. Perfect formatting doesn't guarantee accurate content. You still need validation logic. You still need human oversight for critical decisions. Structure controls the format. It doesn't control the truth. Remember that distinction. Here's the complete workflow from start to finish. You write the prompt. You define the structure template. AI processes the request. It returns perfectly structured output. Your system consumes it immediately. Automation executes. Every step is predictable. Every step is reliable. That's the promise. AI becomes exponentially more powerful when its outputs are predictable and machine-readable. Structured output prompting is what transforms AI from an interesting conversational tool into a reliable, production-grade component of modern enterprise software systems. Next up, we'll show you exactly how to implement this technique yourself.